Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can make background blur of any image, and it will give you the DSLR feel of overall to the image, and your image will be more prominent, especially the front object of image will be more prominent and the background will be more blurred version like DSLR effects. So let's get started. This tutorial will give you enough idea to make background blur of any image, and at the end of this tutorial you will be able to produce your own blurred version images. First of all, you need to select the object. For selecting the object, I'm gonna click on the selection tool and then quick selection tool. W is the shortcut. Each menu and every tool have their shortcuts in front of them, you can see, for every tool. So it's based on your memory. If you can remember most of the tools, then you can. By the way, you can add and subtract the selection, and for adding the selection you can press shift, and by subtracting the selection you need to press alt. So the cutting part is based on your minute detailing. As much you will spend time on cutting edges and looking forward to seeing them, as much your edges and cutting will be more sharp. First, create multiple duplicate layers and then click on the mask on top of the layer, and then click on the mask by pressing Ctrl button from your keyboard, and then select the bottom layer of the mask and then go to select, click on modify. 15 will be enough. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click on this and fill and content aware. So now the background is gone, and this image is alone, allowing us to merge these into each other. So I'm gonna select the background layer, then I'll go to the Gaussian blur, and boom, you can see the DSLR effect. Now as much as I want this into more blurry version, so I can do that by so easily by making the background more blur. And that's almost done. Now I need a bit more color correction, so I will go to this option, then press levels and increase some levels and decrease some highlights details. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this person a bit more brighter, so I will go to there and dodge tool, and I will make size bit more increase. Then I will start pressing on his face, so he will become more of some whitish person. I can merge that by decreasing the opacity. Then I will go to vibrance and increase some vibrance for overall color, or I can decrease the saturation, but I think vibrant color should be here. And then I will go to image adjustment and image adjustment, and then I will go to selective color. For selective color, click here, and in red I will decrease the red, so his face part will be the whiter version, as you can see. So without background and with background, in this background eagle is not prominent, with background it's merging, but right now it's prominent and you can see that eagle is fully visible. So again, one more thing you can do, you can put some levels into the background, so if the background will be more darker or maybe more brighter version, then the front object will be more visible to the camera. But I'm not going to change this at crazy level. I will just decrease a bit into that level maybe, or maybe I can just going to hue and saturation and make a bit dull background, so it will also allow popping out these colors in front of us. So that's it. I think pretty much I'm done. I hope you learned that how you can make blur, how you can put blur into your images. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial, and I hope you will like it. And if you like it, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notification every time I will upload new video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.